Hey guys, it's me Callum, and today we're gonna spend a day in Woodhouse. And my family has already went on the tube slide, the labyrinth, and the challenge hill, and the maze. But we haven't done the disc golf because we didn't have time for that. Yeah, come on. That was my little brother again because he died in the game. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the tents. I'm gonna play, guys. I'm gonna play on the iPad. Oh my! Please make it. Please, OG. Please. I lost the wheel, but that's still okay. Oy. No! Guys, why is my little brother screaming? Look, I made it up to here. This is where I am, up to the pink. Oh my, effects so holding the pink. And guys, so I'm gonna show you guys the duck. Where's the duck? The ducks are right there. I'm gonna chase away the ducks. Run. I literally chased away the ducks. And the first time I went here, which was yesterday, I did not know that there was ducks here. Oh, and I also forgot to tell you guys, there was a wild pig here yesterday. But we didn't see it, but we did hear the noise. And my mom said that we can go this way. And guys, there's also a lake over there. And also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So I'm gonna be upside down. Hey guys, well, I'm not upside down, but the camera's upside down. Well, actually, I am upside down, kinda. I don't know. Let me flip it back. Yeah, this is the tent. And we also brought some board games. And my little brother and my sister are gonna play badminton. That's and I have my bat. My butt? Yes, my butt. Don't. Game. And guys, I'm gonna show you guys. Guys, my big brother is gonna show you how to play badminton. I think some of them already know how to play badminton. My little brother just rolled over. And guys, I have 1 point.
Did it! Yay! my sister has 1 point.
And I had 1 point, okay? I was gonna get it to my hand, guys. And guys, like this video,
Yeah.
okay? I have 2 points.
My little brother has 2 points. Where's the shadow? There it is.
Guys, now it's my turn. Now my big sister had 2 points. Now I have 3 points. My big sister had 3 points. I'm gonna win. Guys, and the points is after 30. Okay?
30?
Yes.
Okay.
34.
Oh.
Yes. 35.
Oops.
I missed. So no points. Ate. Guys, you didn't get it.
What was that?
But
the shadow's starting to crack.
guys, I still
Wait, guys, comment down below if you guys have been to Woodhouse.
yes.
Okay, I'm gonna play badminton.
Guys,
Hey, come on.
guys,
Thank you.
guys, my big brother is gonna burst me. And this is a master badminton because my big brother only hits it low and I hit it high. Guys, I've got this.
Go.
Many times to hit it. That's 1 point. I have 1 point. Guys, this is never, my big brother's never gonna catch this. What was that? Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Duh, win. Duh, win. Oh, it's duh, win. What was that, guys?
2
That's
points.
so high. I'm literally winning.
No, you have 1 point. I have 2. Oh, nice hit.
Hit it from there, big brother. Oh, that. But remember that I screamed from the phone that I used. But we still laughed.
Hit it.
3 points. Ew, what is that? Guys, go. Please, go and go. There was a low. You wanna do low? Three
Next,
points.
you wanna do lows?
Yes.
I didn't say that I wanna do lows.
You have
4 points, guys.
It there. So yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Bye.